Do you know a magical stick, kindness? You know what is kindness? Kindness is a magical stick. When you spread that, it spreads all around the world. And you know what is the spread of kindness? It's happiness, the magic done by kindness. So, the stick of magic is our kindness, and the spread of kindness is happiness.
Kindness is a thing that we share things. Example, sharing things, saying hello, please, thank you.
If we help our elders that are too old, like 60 or 70 years, for crossing a road, so it is a kindness.
Means sharing, caring and loving for everyone means kindness.
Kindness is a magical stick that spreads always happiness and sharing, caring all through the world.
Kindness spreads joy and happiness all around the world and makes people smile.
This is about sharing, saying golden words like please, thank you, sorry, and sorry, etc. We should help the homeless to make the world a better place with lots of happy people.
Kindness is about to share, and if you will be kind, that's a good habit. Thank you.
Kindness is when we help someone in the class or in the home.
This is a thing which is full of joy and happiness. Kindness to me is to spread gratitude around the world to make the earth a better place.